Developed by the brilliant minds at YASA Ltd., a proud subsidiary of Mercedes-Benz AG, the Axial Flux motors are ready to redefine how we experience driving. Let us take a sneak peek at the unveiling of the remarkable Mercedes-Benz Vision 1 11 concept car, where innovation meets excellence at the prestigious Mercedes International Design Center in Carlsbad, California, USA. Hold tight because a new era of automotive advancement is about to unfold before your eyes. Join us as we explore the unveiling of their remarkable Axial Flux motors and get ready to witness the future of mobility unfold before your eyes. So, what are these Axial Flux motors? In the realm of electric vehicle propulsion, a new era is dawning with the introduction of the YASA Axial Flux motor. This cutting-edge motor represents a monumental leap forward in performance, capable of propelling vehicles faster and farther. Its revolutionary design boasts unmatched attributes in terms of weight, size, power, and torque densities, setting the stage for a new standard in electric vehicle technology. The conventional electric vehicle industry predominantly relies on radial electric motors, a technology that has remained relatively unchanged for decades. However, the YASA Axial Flux motor disrupts this status quo with its Axial Flux technology, which has been at the forefront of the performance electric vehicle revolution for over a decade. This technology has propelled YASA to new heights, and now as part of the Mercedes-Benz family, they bring forth a motor that offers up to 4 times the torque and double the power densities of existing technologies in nearly all electric vehicles. What's more, this remarkable achievement is accomplished with a 50% reduction in weight and a mere 20% of the depth of traditional radial machines. The story of the YASA Axial Flux motor is intertwined with the brilliance of Dr. Tim Woolmer and the remarkable journey from its inception at Oxford University. This motor represents the convergence of academic ingenuity with real-world impact, revolutionizing the way we perceive electric vehicle propulsion. Beyond its technical advancements, the YASA Axial Flux motor offers a driving experience like no other. The unique engineering characteristics of this motor open doors to a world of untapped potential for vehicle designers, allowing them to create vehicles that marry power and efficiency seamlessly. When it comes to driving performance, power and torque reign supreme. The YASA Axial Flux motor delivers an astonishing 480 horsepower, ensuring drivers can confidently handle any situation. Its innovative topology eliminates the stator yoke, significantly reducing the stator iron mass and yielding 2 to 3 times the power density of non-axial machine. Acceleration in electric vehicles hinges on torque, and the YASA Axial Flux motor takes this principle to new heights. With its increased radius, this axial machine generates greater torque due to the fundamental equation of torque equals force times radius. Combined with optimized copper windings, this motor delivers up to 800 Nm of torque, setting new standards with 4 times the torque density of other electric vehicle motors. Where conventional radial motors struggle with repeated hard driving due to heat buildup and electromagnetic resistance, the YASA Axial Flux motor shines. Its shorter windings and direct oil cooling provide unmatched performance consistency, enabling continuous operation at peak power levels. Acknowledging the premium nature of space in vehicle design, the YASA Axial Flux motor occupies a mere 50% of the volumetric space of its radial counterparts. This space-saving design opens avenues for novel possibilities in vehicle development, a landscape that YASA is already pioneering. Weight reduction is paramount in electric vehicles, and the YASA motor delivers. Its weight reduction not only enhances efficiency and range by 5 to 10%, but also triggers a ripple effect. A lighter motor allows for a smaller battery, which in turn reduces vehicle mass, leading to more efficient systems overall. Embracing simplicity and efficiency, the YASA Axial Flux motor introduces a segment armature design that lends itself to cost-effective serial production. But this efficiency goes beyond manufacturing. Its design employs fewer materials like copper, iron, and permanent magnets compared to conventional motors. This not only reduces material costs, but also underscores YASA's commitment to environmental sustainability. In the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicle technology, the YASA Axial Flux motor stands as a symbol of innovation, pushing boundaries and transforming possibilities. From powering high-performance vehicles to redefining industry standards, YASA's journey from academia to the roads of the future is a testament to human ingenuity and progress. At the heart of the Axial Flux motor's design is its configuration of components. Instead of the radial motor's concentric arrangement, the axial motor's rotor and stator are positioned parallel to the motor's axis of rotation. This allows for a more compact, streamlined design that facilitates greater power and torque density. The axial design also eliminates the need for the stator yoke, significantly reducing the motor's weight while maintaining structural integrity. Back in 1969, Mercedes-Benz made waves at the Frankfurt Auto Show with a groundbreaking concept car named the C111. This vehicle, donning a captivating orange and black palette, not only had eye-catching gull-wing doors, but also doubled as a testing ground for new technologies, even boasting a 4-rotor Wankel rotary engine. Fast forward 54 years and that very car continues to inspire Mercedes-Benz's latest creation, the Vision 111 concept. Staying true to its roots, this concept is also adorned in a striking orange hue and carries the torch for pioneering technology. This time, the spotlight is on the realm of small and lightweight axial flux electric motors, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's unyielding commitment to innovation. Mercedes-Benz Vision 111 concept is the first car that introduces groundbreaking axial flux motors in a collaboration with YASA. While the motor count remains undisclosed, it is rumored that it can host up to 4 YASA motors. These advanced axial flux motors are a result of meticulous R&D focusing on efficiency and performance. This partnership aims to transition this innovation into large-scale production for integration into future electric drives. Mercedes-Benz has made a strategic decision to manufacture the next generation of YASA axial flux motors at their Berlin Marienfelder plant. This signifies the brand's commitment to seamlessly integrating these motors into their upcoming lineup, especially within the performance segment. The Vision 111 isn't solely defined by its engine. Its physical attributes are equally striking. Standing just 46 inches tall at the roof's peak, the car boasts a low profile that enhances both visual allure and stability during high-speed maneuvers. The design incorporates bold black side skirts, a front splitter, and a rear diffuser with blue-black lighting, emphasizing its connection to the road. This pays tribute to the C100 and 11's distinctive use of black accents. Inside, the vibrant orange theme continues with leather seats tanned using coffee bean husks, creating a unique contrast with the white dashboard made from recycled polyester. The dashboard features a full-width LED pixel display reminiscent of old news tickers, providing essential information such as speed and even displaying QR codes linked to digital art pieces. The interior embraces a space-age aesthetic, with silver seats inspired by astronaut suits, polished aluminum dials, switches, and pedals, and a rectangular leather-wrapped steering wheel with an integrated touchscreen. From the revolutionary YASA axial flux motors to the mesmerizing design elements that bridge the past and the future, this concept car is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. So, are you ready to embark on this new era of driving? Are you eager to step into a vehicle that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with stunning aesthetics? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more exciting news like this. The Vision 111 is not just a concept, it's a glimpse into the future, where driving becomes an immersive, interactive, and exhilarating experience like never before.